Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Speak English Flow, your friendly place to learn real, natural English through honest, everyday conversations. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mohin. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. And if you are new here, welcome. Sit down. Relax. You are safe here.
Nobody will judge your grammar here.
Nobody.
Not even me. And I have heard Mohin's grammar.
Emma.
I'm joking, mostly.
Actually, this morning, the woman at the tea stall, she said something fast and I didn't understand.
What did you do?
I said yes and smiled, and then she gave me the wrong thing.
Mohin, you said yes to something you didn't understand?
I do this every day.
Okay, today's episode is very, very important for you. What Mohin said in the cold open, that single word, what, and the look that followed, I think every English learner has lived that moment in some form.
Even people with good English?
Especially people with good English, because the problem is not vocabulary. The problem is we are afraid that asking a question will make us sound rude or stupid or difficult.
So we stay quiet.
We nod, we pretend, and we miss the whole conversation. And today, we are going to fix that. But first, one small favor. If Speak English Flow is helping, please subscribe.
New episodes regularly. Real English, real conversations. Exactly like this.
And share this with one friend who is learning English. Just one.
One friend. That is enough. Are you ready?
Let's go. Okay, let me ask you something honest. When you don't understand someone, what do you do?
The honest version? I smile and hope the conversation moves on.
And does it?
Sometimes, but then I miss something important, or I agree to something I didn't understand.
This happens because asking a question feels risky. It feels like we are interrupting, like we're being a problem. And in English, we were never taught how to ask. We were only taught what to ask.
What do you mean?
We learned, can you repeat that? But nobody told us it is not just the words, it is how you say them. And this feeling has a name. It is called the politeness freeze.
The politeness freeze.
When you know what to say, but you are afraid it will sound wrong, so you freeze.
That is painfully accurate.
I want to share a story. A listener wrote to us. Her name is Nadia. She works in a small shop. Her customers speak fast, mix English and local words, and every day someone would say something she didn't catch.
What did she do?
She smiled and guessed. Sometimes it worked. Sometimes she gave the wrong item, wrong change, and she felt, her word, invisible, like she was physically there but not really part of the conversation.
Oh, that is a heavy feeling.
But then, one day, she tried something small. Instead of, what? She said, sorry, could you say that again? Just 4 words, different first word.
And?
And the customer smiled, repeated it. No problem, no bad luck. Nadia said it felt like the door opened.
Same question, different first word.
That's it. And today, we have 4 tools that helped Nadia that can help you. Kind words open doors.
Kind words open doors. Let's go.
4 tools. Simple, practical, A2 level. Let's start with tool 1. Tool 1 is called the softening word.
The softening word. What is that?
A softening word is a word you add at the beginning of a question to make it feel gentle, like putting a pillow in front of your words.
A pillow in front of your words.
Instead of repeat that, you say, could you repeat that? The word could is the pillow. It softens everything.
Like the difference between knocking hard on a door or knocking gently.
Exactly. Same door, different knock. The most common softening words are could, can, would, may. At A2 level, just practice could.
Could you say that again? Could you speak more slowly?
Perfect. Instead of tell me again, say, could you tell me again? That small word changes everything.
Tool 1, add could, the pillow word.
Tool 2, the apology cushion.
Apology cushion, like you put something soft first?
Yes, before your question, you add a short, warm phrase. It tells the other person, I am not being difficult. I just need a moment.
What phrases?
Sorry to bother you. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. These are not real apologies. They are social cushions, like the small nod you give someone before you speak.
Like a knock before you open the door.
Exactly. And in English, people expect this cushion. Without it, the question can feel sharp, even when you don't mean it to be.
That is what happened with my what. No cushion, just the question.
Right. With a cushion, sorry, what did you say? The word sorry doesn't mean you did something wrong. It just opens the door gently. Kind words open doors.
Tool 2, put the cushion first. Sorry, excuse me, then ask.
Tool 3, the reason bridge.
Bridge, like connecting two things?
Yes, when you give a short reason for your question, it removes all confusion. The other person understands immediately. This person is asking because they care, not because they are difficult.
What does it sound like?
I want to make sure I understand. I'm asking because it's important to me, just to be sure.
Oh, like, sorry, could you say that again? I want to make sure I understand.
That is perfect, Mohin. You just used Tool 1 and Tool 3 together.
Accidentally.
The best kind of learning. The reason bridge works because it shows respect. You are saying, I am not ignoring you. I am trying harder to understand you.
So, instead of just what, add the reason. I'm asking because I want to understand. Tool 3, the reason bridge.
Tool 4. This one is different, and it might surprise you.
Different how?
Tool 4. Your tone, the music of your voice, is more powerful than the words you choose. You can say the perfect sentence in a flat, cold voice, and it will still feel rude.
So the words are not enough?
Not alone. Try this. Say, could you repeat that, please? Flat voice, no feeling.
Could you repeat that, please?
Now say it with a warm, gentle, slightly apologetic voice.
Could you repeat that, please?
You hear the difference?
Oh, same words, very different feeling.
This is the tone trick. The warmth in your voice does the real work. At A2 level, you don't need perfect grammar. You need a warm tone. It tells the other person, I am friendly. I am not a threat.
Kind words open doors, but a kind voice opens them faster.
Tool 4. The tone is the tool. Before the word tour, here are 5 sentence starters for when someone says something and your mind goes blank.
The blank mind moment. Very familiar.
Because sometimes the problem is not that you don't know the words. It is you don't know how to begin.
The sentence starter is the door.
Exactly. Here they are. Number 1. Sorry, could you say that again?
Sorry? Could you say that again?
Number 2. Could you speak a little more slowly, please?
Could you speak a little more slowly, please?
Number 3. Excuse me, what does word mean?
Simple. Easy.
Number 4. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it?
I'm sorry. I didn't catch that. Oh, catch. Like catching a ball.
Exactly. When you miss a word, you say, I didn't catch that. Beautiful phrase. And number 5. Just to be sure, did you say tomorrow?
Just to be sure. Did you say tomorrow?
Perfect. 5 starters. The words were inside you. You just needed the door.
Okay, word tour time. Let's slow down.
Good idea. 3 words from today. You don't need to memorize all 3. Choose one that feels useful.
Word 1, polite. Say it with us. Polite, polite, polite.
Polite means you speak and behave in a way that shows respect and kindness. It is the opposite of rude.
Example 1, she was very polite when she asked the question.
Example 2, in English, asking, could you help me is more polite than help me.
You can say, I want to sound polite, not rude.
I want to sound polite, not rude. Carry that sentence with you.
Instead of nice all the time, say polite. She was polite. He spoke politely.
Word 2, rephrase. Say it with us. Rephrase, rephrase, rephrase.
Rephrase. Rephrase.
Rephrase means to say the same thing using different words. When someone does not understand you, you rephrase.
Example 1. Could you rephrase that? I didn't understand.
Example 2, let me rephrase. I mean, could you say it more simply?
You can say, sorry, let me rephrase that.
Sorry, let me rephrase that. Use this when you need to explain yourself again.
Instead of say again, try rephrase. It sounds very natural.
Word 3, hesitant. Say it with us. Hesitant, hesitant, hesitant.
Hesitant. What does it mean exactly?
Hesitant means you pause before doing something because you are not sure or you feel nervous.
Like me before asking a question in English.
Exactly like you. Example 1, I was hesitant to ask because I didn't want to seem rude.
Example 2, she sounded hesitant, like she wasn't sure how to say it.
You can say, I feel hesitant sometimes, but I'm learning to ask.
I feel hesitant sometimes, but I'm learning to ask. Oh, that is honest.
And that is our word tour for today.
I'll use hesitant first because it is me.
Which word felt most useful? Write it in the comments.
Okay, let's remember everything.
Tool 1.
Softening word. Add could. Put the pillow in front.
Perfect. Tool 2.
The apology cushion. Say sorry or excuse me first. Even if it's not a real apology, it opens the door gently.
Beautiful. Tool 3.
The reason bridge. Add why you are asking. I want to make sure I understand. It shows respect.
And tool 4.
And tool 4, the tone trick. The words are important, but the voice does the real work. Warm tone, always.
Mohin, that was perfect.
Small win.
Definitely a small win. Can I say something important? To the person listening right now who has stayed quiet in conversations for too long, who has nodded even when they understood nothing, who has felt like asking a question means being a burden, you were not being difficult. You were being careful, and careful people just need better tools.
Same question, different first word. That is all it takes.
Kind words open doors. You have those words now. Use them. We believe in you. We really do.
If my mouth can move, yours can too.
Before we go, your homework.
Easy homework.
Go to the comments. Write this sentence. I was hesitant to ask, but now I will say.
For example, I was hesitant to ask, but now I will say, could you speak more slowly, please?
Or, I was hesitant to ask, but now I will say, sorry, I didn't catch that.
One sentence. That is enough. We read every comment.
Everyone. And please subscribe to Speak English Flow. Share it with one friend. Just one.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Thank you for listening. Kind words open doors. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.